Hello and welcome back to another video. And if you're wondering why I have the same shirt on, that's because I'm probably creating all of these videos all at once. Don't mind, but yeah, if you remember from my previous tutorials, we were looking at importing REST API based data into Google Sheets without absolutely any coding. And yeah, sorry, I forgot to give my intro. So I'm Harish, and in this channel, I showcase different tools that help you create products, prototypes, and pretty much anything that you want without coding, right? So yeah, going back to where we were, we have this sheet filled with data, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a gallery based PWA or a mobile app that can work on any platform, be it desktop or a handheld device, iOS or Android. It's going to be a PWA, so it's going to be available on a specific URL that you get from this tool, and people can add it to their home screens as well. That's a PWA in short, right? But the capabilities of PWA are very different and also offer a lot like offline functionality, etc. We'll probably do that in another video. But the first step for us here is when we are creating a gallery app, ideally, let's since this data has so many columns, let's clean up most of these and only use a few columns that we probably need and make sense, right? So if you look at let's quickly clean up this data. I'm going to remove, okay, let's remove what is not needed. For example, all of these are not needed. We need the title, so I'm retaining the title and which subreddit this data has been pulled from. And then we don't need this since it's already there. We don't need all of these as well. We don't need thumbnail information. I'm going to quickly delete all of, oh damn, sorry. I'm going to quickly select again all of these and delete these columns. And since we have a lot of columns, what we are going to do is, oh, what did I do? Oh, obviously we've imported this data from an API, and since we deleted the first cell, the data is also gone. So make sure you don't do the same mistake when you're doing this. Let's see if we can pull this back up. Yeah, so I'm not going to yeah, we have the data back. I'm not going to remove that one, but I'll remove the rest. And let me quickly do this and not waste much of your time on the video. Great, so I've cleaned up the data and we have about 5 columns of data that I think are relevant for this example. And yeah, the next step is to go to glideapps.com. We are going to use glideapps.com to showcase how to create a quick PWA, right? So the first step is for you to create an account if you don't already have one. I have the link to sign up in the description below. And I'm going to say the first step is once you sign in, all you have to do is create an app, and once you hover on it, you get the option of importing from a Google Sheet. So I'm going to say do it from a Google Sheet and select the Google Sheet that I just edited, and you should have the app ready based on the data that you already have in the sheet, right? Then you can obviously you're allowed to customize most of these data and the layouts. So the first thing that I'm going to do is change the title to a relevant title, right? So you can do that by clicking on the tabs and then selecting the option on the right. So I'm going to change it to Astro Pictures, and let's quickly change the icon as well to camera. Yep, you can select an appropriate one, and if you want to upload a custom one, you obviously pay for Glide. So once you do that, the next step is to change the layout, right? Let's make it look like a gallery app instead of a list app. So if you see on the right, you see multiple options, and then there is tiles, which is one of the option, and you get the rectangular based tiles, and you also have the option of doing a square or a vertical tile or a circle as well, right? So let's quickly do one of these and see how it looks. So yeah, this is how it looks for a rectangular based app, where it automatically shows the user who uploaded this and also the title on the Reddit post, right? And also you can change the square to 3 by 2. Yep, and alternatively you can also do the orientation where it is a horizontal slide, but let's leave it to the vertical. Yeah, and by default if you click on any of these you get the full details of the subreddit post that was made, which is the title, the image in the background, then which subreddit this has been pulled from, and the type, which is part of the data that you've already imported. So yeah, that's pretty much how you convert a Google Sheet and create a beautiful gallery based app. Let's say you are a photographer and you have like a nice portfolio that you want to showcase, or you can do this pretty much to create an e-commerce store as well, where you have a list of things on the Google Sheet and you can pull them and you can customize pretty much a lot of things, which is titles per row. You can upload multiple things, as you can see here, per row. If you want to show two things per row, you can do that. Then you can also go to features and add a search, and based on the name of the user, if you want to enable the search, you can do that. You can disable this as well. And once you're done customizing all of this, all you do is click on share and then publish the app. Once you publish, you get a subdomain that you can copy and share with whoever you want. So this is the subdomain we have, and you can open this in the mobile, it'll work. You can open it in the web, it'll work. You can open it anywhere that has a browser and it will work. So this is the preview of the app that we just created from the Google Sheets, right? So you can scroll down to see all the images from the Google Sheet, and then you click on it, it loads up the image. So that's how you create a simple gallery based application. I am just using basic tools that are part of Glide, but Glide allows you to do a lot more things. I am just scratching on the surface, and in further tutorials I'll show you how to do a lot more with Glide. And if you've liked this video, do drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel. That will help me make more videos in the future, and we'll also look at customizing a lot of things on Glide and building proper mobile applications using Glides as well. And that's it for this video. Peace.